What is up, Pyros? Here with another stash update. Grab some more 1-1s, a couple more heavy hitters here. Start over here to the left. Picked up Motor City. That is a 200 shotter. WandaVision, 100 shotter. Windy City, that is a 194. And down here on the ground, we got a Big Bang Theory, 110 shots. And a Portobello, 100 shotter. So this is officially my last pickup for this July 4th. And it's going to be one heck of a show. Can't wait to shoot some of these off, man. But yeah, unless something miraculously comes up, yeah, this is the last pickup for the year. Until next time.